Hi everyone, today I'm going to share another simple recipe. I make this when I need a quick extra dish with ingredients I usually have in my pantry. And everything comes together in 15 minutes. First, let's prep the minced pork. Add some light soy sauce, some pepper, cornstarch, mix well. Add some oil. Briefly mix in different directions so that it doesn't stick together while cooking. Now let's season the eggs, some salt, some pepper, just give it a good mix. Once all the ingredients are ready, let's start cooking. Add some oil, add the minced pork, continue to saute on medium to high heat until the minced pork is cooked through. Before adding the eggs, just drizzle a bit of oil so that the eggs don't stick to the wok. Pour in the eggs. Lower the heat to medium. Once you've added the eggs, leave them alone. Don't touch them. Wait until the base turns golden brown and the top is almost set. Then use your spatula to loosen the base. If yours got stuck like mine, don't worry, just loosen it gently. Toss everything together and increase the heat. Keep cooking until the eggs are done. I usually like the eggs to be a bit more moist, so I'm going to stop here. But you can continue to cook until the edges of the eggs turn golden brown. Now add some spring onions. Toss a few times. That's it. One bite is just not enough. It's so delicious. Kids will love this. I hope you try this recipe. For more easy recipes, do subscribe and see you next time.